Good morning, sir. This is your moderator, Praveen Chaturvedi, and we are happy to inform that the quorum is present. You can proceed with the proceedings. Over to you, Mr. Suresh. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, directors. I, Suresh Bachalkura, Company Secretary, on behalf of your company and its Board of Directors, welcoming you all to the Extraordinary General Meeting of Moship Technologies Limited. As per the circulars issued by MCA and SEBI, we are conducting this EGM through video conference, other video and audio means, to the convenience of all stakeholders. Facility for joining this meeting through video conference facility is made available on first come first serve basis. Members present by default will be on mute mode by the host to avoid disturbances and ensure smooth conduct of the meeting. As the EGM is being held through video conference, the facility for appointment of proxy by the member was not applicable, and hence the proxy registry is not available for inspection. The company had provided the facility for remote e-voting, and the same was opened from Tuesday, 11th March 2025, 9 a.m. to Thursday, 13th March 2025 till 5 p.m. The process for login for participating in the EGM was intimated in the notice convening, and the process for e-voting was convened in the notice convening in the meeting, and also the email to the shareholders separately. We have provided the facility for the shareholders to speak during the meeting who has registered by email as speaker shareholder. The speaker shareholders will be allowed to speak during the meeting. The names of speaker shareholders will be announced one by one by the host. The host will give you appropriate access to the concerned shareholder to speak once the chairman opens the floor for Q&A session. Participation of members through video conference is being reckoned as a quorum as per the circulars issued by MCA and Section 103 of the Companies Act 2013. I confirm that the requisite quorum is being presented through video conference, and I request Mr. K. Pradeep Chandra Garu to chair the meeting and start the proceedings of the Extraordinary General Meeting. Thank you. Over to Pradeep.
Thank you, Suresh. Dear valued shareholders of Moship Technologies, ladies and gentlemen of the board, on behalf of Moship and its board of directors, I once again extend a very warm welcome to each one of you to this extraordinary general meeting of your company. Before we start the proceedings of the meeting, I would like to introduce to you my colleagues who joined through video conference. It is my pleasure to introduce Mr. Srinivasarao Kakumanu, Managing Director and CEO of the company. Mr. D.G. Prasad, Independent Director and Chairman of the Audit Committee and member of the Nomination and Remuneration Committee and Risk Management Committee. Mrs. Madhurika Nalluri Venkat, Independent Director and Chairperson of the Nomination and Remuneration Committee, Stakeholders Relationship Committee and member of the Audit Committee and Risk Management Committee. Mr. Naveed Sharwani, Ahmed Sharwani, Non-Executive Director and Chairman of the Risk Management Committee and member of Audit Committee. Mr. Vinendra Parvateni, Non-Executive Director of the company. Mr. Jairam Susarla, Chief Financial Officer of the company. Mr. Damodar Rao Gumadapu and Mr. Gunupate Venkat Pranav Reddy, directors, are not able to attend this meeting. I do confirm that the Chairman of the Audit Committee, Risk Management Committee, Nomination and Remuneration Committee, and Stakeholders Relationship Committee are present for the meeting through video conference. I also confirm the presence of Mr. S. Srikanth, partner of Messrs. BSS and Associates, Secretarial Auditor. I thank all the members, colleagues on the board, management team and auditors for joining this meeting through video conference. I wish all of you a good and safe health. The notice convening this meeting was circulated well in advance with you, and with your permission, I will take it as read. I also wish to submit here that this is a single item agenda of the EGM, and we will try and restrict this discussion today to the item on the EGM. Other information which the honorable members may want, we will discuss in detail at the AGM, which will follow. We request the company secretary to explain about the e-voting process. Suresh?
Thanks, sir. Thanks, sir. Before we proceed, I am pleased to bring to the notice that as required under the Companies Act 2013, the company has provided you all the facility to cast the vote electronically on all resolutions set forth in the notice. There is only one resolution which require approval of the shareholders today. Members who have not cast vote electronically and who are participating in the meeting will have opportunity to cast the vote through the e-voting facility provided by KFintech. Members may please note that there will be no voting by showing of hands. BSS and Associates practicing company secretaries Hyderabad have been appointed as a scrutinizer for the e-voting process. Mr. Srikanth from BSS and Associates is present in this meeting. The voting results along with the scrutinizer report will be declared within 2 working days, and the company same and the same will be intimated to the stock exchanges and hosted on your company's website. Thank you. Over to the chairman.
Yeah, thank you, Suresh. We'll now start the question and answer session. Since the agenda item is restricted only to one item, I request I will be responding to all the answers after all the questions have been completed by the honorable shareholders.
Thank you, sir. Before we go to Q&A session, there are some points to note for the convenience of the speaker shareholders. The name of the speaker shareholder who registered are being called one by one by the moderator. Kindly turn on your video when you project it on broadcast screen. Kindly unmute yourself to proceed to ask a question. Please mention your name, folio number, and the location from where you are joining the meeting. Each shareholder will have 2 minutes for the questions. To avoid the repetition of questions, the board will respond to all the questions at the end. Praveen Garu, please call one by one speaker shareholder in order.
Thank you, sir. This is your moderator, Praveen Chaturvedi from KFin Technologies Limited. Our first speaker is Mr. Kamal Kishore Jhawar. May I request Mr. Kamal Kishore to kindly switch on your camera, unmute yourself and speak. Over to you, Kamal ji.
Thank you, Praveen साहब. आज सबको सबसे पहले हैप्पी दीपावली ऑल डायरेक्टर्स केफिन को सबको आज हमारे को याद रहेगा होली के दिन अपना मीटिंग हुआ बोल के तो बहुत अच्छा है साहब. और आप जो ये फर्स्ट रेजोल्यूशन है मैं उसको पूरा सपोर्ट करता हूँ और हमारे केफिन का सर्विस बहुत अच्छा है साहब. और हमारे रिमोनेशन है जो हमारे श्रीनिवास राव कंकरमुडी एमडी एंड सीईओ उनको मैं पूरा सपोर्ट करता हूँ. आज आप लोग जो मैनेजमेंट चेंज होने के बाद हमारे को इस कंपनी का शेयर प्राइस 300 के ऊपर देखने को मिला. पर अभी मार्केट का सेंटीमेंट अच्छा नहीं रहने से अपना शेयर प्राइस 150 है. पर हमको आगे हो पाए इस कंपनी में कम से कम एक 500 रुपीज तक जाएगा. हमारे को फुल कॉन्फिडेंस है. और अपना लास्ट जो 3rd क्वार्टर का रिजल्ट भी आया बहुत अच्छा पॉजिटिव आया सब. और इसी तरह वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस रखे तो करना है. आप वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस रखिए. जैसा मैं आज आउट ऑफ स्टेशन हूँ तो कम से कम आपकी मीटिंग में अटेंड कर सक रहा हूँ. तो वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस में जैसा कोई आपका डायरेक्ट है अब्रॉड में रहे तो मीटिंग अटेंड कर सकता है. ये फैसिलिटी बहुत अच्छा है. एवरी ईयर ऐसी वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस रखे. और हमारे स्कूल मैनेजर श्रीकांत साहब को भी की बधाई. थैंक यू सर.
Thank you, Kamal ji. Our next speaker is Mr. Praful Chawla. May I request Mr. Praful Chawla to kindly switch on your camera, unmute yourself as you speak. Sorry, sir, I have not. Mr. Praful Chawla has not joined, so we are moving to our next speaker, Mr. Srikanth Jhawar. May I request Srikanth ji to kindly unmute yourself, switch on your camera and speak. Over to you, Srikanth ji.
Thank you, Praveen sir. बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर, चेयरमैन एंड एमडी, अपने सीएफओ एंड हमारे सीएस, सबसे पहले होली की शुभकामनाएं. जो आज बहुत अच्छा दिन है और हमारे यादगार भी रहेगा. और आपका जो रेजोल्यूशन है मैं उसको पूरा फुल्ली सपोर्टेड करता हूँ सर. और आगे अपना बिजनेस के बारे में थोड़ा अगर कुछ बताएंगे तो अच्छा है, क्योंकि अभी सेमीकंडक्टर के बारे में बहुत मार्केट में अच्छा रूमर्स हो रहा. थोड़ा उसके बारे में थोड़ा गाइडेंस बताए, क्योंकि लास्ट 1 ईयर बैक या 2 ईयर बैक जो अपना प्रेजेंटेशन बताने के बाद अपना शेयर प्राइस 300 टच करा. तो अभी आगे अपना क्या है और अपना प्राइवेट में ऐसा क्या कॉम्पिटिटर कौन है उसके बारे में बताइए. और ये फाइनेंशियल अपना EGM भी हुआ जितना अगस्त और जुलाई में रखने की कोशिश करें, क्योंकि उसमें और शेयर होल्डर ज्वाइन होने की कोशिश होंगे सर. क्योंकि सितंबर एंडिंग में रखे तो कोई ज्यादा ज्वाइन नहीं हो सकते. अब अपनी कंपनी बहुत बड़ी हो रही है और होप कि ये साल अपना कंपनी का शेयर प्राइस 500 अबाउट जाने की हमारे फुल कॉन्फिडेंट है सर. थैंक यू सर. और हमारे KFin Tech का सर्विस भी बहुत अच्छा है सर. थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir. Our next speaker is Mr. Manjeet Singh. May I request Manjeet Singh ji to kindly unmute yourself, switch on your camera and speak. Sorry, sir, Mr. Manjeet Singh has not joined. Moving to the next speaker, Mr. Redappa Gundurulu. May I request Mr. Redappa Gundurulu to kindly switch on your camera, unmute yourself and speak. Sorry, sir, Mr. Redappa has not joined. I'm moving to the next speaker, Mr. Suresh Chandra Jain. May I request Suresh ji to kindly unmute yourself, switch on your camera and speak. Sorry, sir, I could not see Mr. Suresh has joined. So we are moving to our next speaker, Mr. Bimal Kumar Agrawal. May I request Mr. Bimal Kumar Agrawal to kindly unmute yourself, switch on your camera and speak. Sorry, sir, I could not see Mr. Bimal Kumar has joined. We are moving to our next speaker, Mr. Badri Vishal Bajaj. May I request Mr. Badri Vishal Bajaj to kindly unmute yourself, switch on your camera and speak. Sorry, sir, I could not see Mr. Badri Vishal join. So we are handing over proceedings back to the chair with this. Thank you. and wish you a very happy Holi from the KFin Tech team to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, valuable shareholders. We have noted your concern or request about holding the AGM in either in July or August. We'll do our best to stick to that. We just want to mention that the compensation which has been fixed is on par at market value, whatever is being paid in the market. And as one of the honorable shareholders has mentioned, the company is doing extremely well under the present leadership. And we are happy that the shareholder speakers have actually supported the resolution very positively. And the e-voting window is activated now for allowing you to cast your vote, and e-voting ends on the completion of 15 minutes from the end of this meeting. The board of directors appointed Messrs. BSS and Associates, company secretary, practicing company secretaries, Hyderabad, as scrutinizer for the e-voting process. I hope all the shareholders participated in e-voting process. Further, I hereby authorize Mr. Suresh Bachalkura, the company secretary, to declare the results along with the scrutinizer's report within 2 working days of the conclusion of this meeting. Mr. Suresh is also authorized to submit the voting results to stock exchanges and place the same in the on the MOSCHIP website. The resolution set forth in the notice has been deemed to be passed today, subject to receipt of requisite number of votes. Before I conclude, I would like to express my sincere thanks to the employees of the company for their continuous effort in the success of your company. All the items of today's EGM have now been transacted, and thank you all for attending this meeting. And I wish you all a happy Holi. With this, I formally conclude this EGM. Thank you.
Thanks to the Chairman Garu, and thanks to all the directors for attending this meeting. Thanks to shareholders for making this meeting. Thank you. With the permission of Chair.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, everyone.